We are working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam 3. We're in the third project called Pollination. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and change all of the subtitle formatted text to heading 2. So in order to do that, we want to be on our Home tab. We need to right-click the subtitle style. What we want to do is click Select All. Notice I went ahead and highlighted that in my document. All subtitle formatted text is now highlighted. And all we need to do is just click heading 2, and it went ahead and update all of those subtitle formatted text to the heading 2. We can go ahead and click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and we're going to put text in this text box from this text box. So with our cursor in the text box on page 2, what we want to do is go, because our cursor is here, we can go to the Drawing Tools Format tab. We can click Create Link. Notice that my cursor's changed. What we want to do is place that text by clicking in here. We can click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and change the heading 4 style to 12 point. So in order to do that, we want to go to the Home tab here at the top. In our Styles group, we'll right-click heading 4 and click Modify. And all we need to do is just drop this from 14 to 12. It doesn't tell us to do anything else. We can click OK. And we can click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and mark all instances of pesticide and mark it for entry, and we want to use the italic page numbering format. So in order to find the first one, we'll go ahead and hit Control F, and we'll type in pesticide, and it pulls up every instance of it. From here, we can go to the References tab here at the top and go to the Index group. We're going to click Mark Entry. The main entry part's already filled out. We just need to click Italic and click Mark All. And we can click Close here and close out of the navigation pane. We can click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and update the index at the bottom of the page. So you have some of it here and here. What we want to do is just right-click this field and click Update Field. And it went ahead and updated that for us. We'll go ahead and click Mark Completed.